Don't build a single page application before you watch this video, because I'm going to show you the hack of a lifetime to make this absolutely amazing in terms of performance, in terms of animations for multi-page applications. Let's take a look at that. Now, what people like about single page applications so much, or the animations, is the speed, the snappiness. But here's the thing, browsers are getting better and better by the day, and with the right attributions and the right methods, you can have a page redirect as fast as this one. It's blazing fast. You don't even notice that we're going on a separate page here, right? Look how fast that is. It's so fast. Now, you do feel, there isn't that nice animation like a single page application, but there's actually a super simple CSS hack how you can add that. Let's take a look here. We have this view transition navigation auto property. I can just add that into the CSS of the page, preferably the header, and it's going to make it super amazing in terms of animations. Let's take a look at that. Let's go to our page and let's add a head resource. That should be a style tag, and the content of the style tag will be this CSS property. This will allow us to add the view transition. Let's close that. Let's add this on all of our pages that we're navigating to. Let's go on the other page here, and let's add that external head resource as a style tag. We'll put the content in here. Now, watch the magic. If I reload the page, you can see that we have a nice transition between the page. Isn't that amazing? And it works beautifully. I can go inside of here and add an image, so you can kind of like see the layout shifting, and it's super fast and it has a beautiful animation. Look at that. It feels like a single page application without having to build a single page application. Now, one thing to keep in mind where a single page application may save you money is that if we take a look at the network tab, every time we click on this button, we're loading a new page, which will count as one request, essentially. So if I redirect to that page, you see that we're loading the home page, right? We're loading the home page here. If I click again and go to page 2, you'll see that we're loading a new page. Every time you go to a new page, you're paying for resources. Now, most applications will never reach 1 million requests or 2 million or 3 million, and it's quite inexpensive. But keep in mind that if you have lots of users, your preferable way of structuring your application would be avoiding redirects, avoiding unnecessary API calls. But if you're just starting out with your application, and if you have 1,000 users, and it doesn't really matter because, you're making money from it anyway, right? Having a multi-page application with this view transition CSS and, having your pages structured in a way where, you have all the logic on separate pages, you don't have to work with components and treat components as pages and go through all that pain. That is a great and my preferred method of building an application nowadays. So if you're just building an application, I would not suggest you to start with a single page application, because it's going to make managing the whole application super painful. It may be something that if you have millions of users and you want to save a few $100s a month, that you can do. But if you're just starting out, definitely start out with a multi-page application. It's the simplest way to get started. All your pages have their own isolated variables, have their own life cycles. It's easy for beginners, and you don't have to compromise on animations and on speed anymore, because browsers are so advanced and we have those great methods like the view transition CSS property. Super simple, without pretty much any code implementable. And if you want super fast, blazing fast redirects, make sure that your links have eager or moderate, so you're pre-rendering those things. I can move to moderate. It's going to be a little bit more of a conservative way, so we can go with moderate, and you will see it's still blazing fast. If I click on go to page here, you see you almost don't feel that it's going to a different page. It works beautifully, and it removes all the need for you to manage paths and all that, which you would have to do with a multi-page application. And you do still have that single page application feeling. So definitely check that out. It works in most browsers, surprisingly. It even works in Safari. If we take a look at Safari here, let's look at that. If I go to page 1, you will see that it works perfectly in Safari, which is a wonderful thing. So definitely check that out. This is how you use the View Transition API, and you can make it even fancier with some advanced CSS properties where it fades into a specific element and a specific element animates in. We're going to make more videos about that, but I just wanted to share this good news out there. You don't have to build a single page application anymore. You can do a multi-page application with the same benefits. Just keep in mind, the requests and the cost that potentially are tied to it. But if you're just starting out, don't worry about money because you don't have any users yet anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. And if you want to learn more cool stuff, go to the link in the video description and take a look at the private coaching program that I offer that is super cheap. It starts at $129 a month to help you become a better developer, get unstuck on wherever you're stuck right now, and to just, build better applications with my guidance along the way to make sure that your application will be a success on a technical level. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Please let me know if you have any other further video ideas. Put them down in the comments. I would love to make more videos about stuff that truly helps you make progress. Take care.